Open up all the coops today. Just let them do their thing. After weeks of researching, looking at how other guys train, this is the best way right here. Just let the birds be. Let them get familiarized with their surroundings, the area. Build up their confidence, their braveness, and just let them be birds. These half of these guys here are youngsters. Um, yeah, just let them be birds and let them do it on their own cause. Some people flag them or push them to, then you end up losing birds. They start going on the trees. They haven't been on trees yet. They've been going from the ground to the roof, from the ground to the roof, from the ground to the landing area over there. It goes in, they eat, they drink, they come back out. Building up their confidence. Eventually, they're gonna just take off one day. But this is like a bonding stage, building up a flock mentality. They eat together, they sleep together. Hey, then they're gonna be like, okay, we're gonna fly together. So I figured I'm gonna go this route as far as just letting them be birds. This is the third day out. They're roaming a little further from the coop now. That means they're getting a little more comfortable. And I'm just gonna let them be. Maybe that chicken will take off with them too. Anyways, guys, CNR, tapping out. Peace and love to all. I'm off.